But before we start the video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. Select all notifications so you don't miss any uploads. Hey guys, so today I'm doing this eye look for you guys. It's just gonna be eyes and lips for this video because I wasn't really too happy with the face part of the video, so I just deleted that. So I'm just priming my eyes using my LA Girl Pro HD Concealer in the shade Fawn, and then going in with this beautiful matte green shade that I got about 2-3 years ago from a IMADS vendor. I cannot remember the name, but there used to be a logo with the letter M on it, and it's a really pretty shade. I don't use it often. I've probably used it maybe about 3 to 4 times since I've bought it, and it's really a pretty color. It's definitely for special occasions or Christmas, okay? So I'm using this in my transition area, my inner and outer part of my eyelid, and smoking it out. Then I'm going to go in with the Meadow palette from Makeup Addiction. It's a gorgeous palette, you guys. By the way, it has really, really pretty colors for the spring and summertime. I'm going to apply that teal shade. It's a very deep teal shade, almost bluish or indigo blue shade in the inner and outer part and into my crease using a smaller brush, which will be more of a crease brush, and then just blending it in to that green shade. You want everything to have a nice smoked out transition and not look too patchy. Now going in with this color, it has almost like a sage color. It's a satin finish, and I'm just going to apply this into my center part of my lid. Then I'm going to go in with this beautiful lime green satin finish color and apply this closer to the lash line on the lid. Now using the Zodiac glitter from Lime Crime. I think it's Lime Crime. I haven't used this glitter in a long time because they just had so much controversy going on with this company, and I just did not want to use it. But anyways, I'm applying this beautiful glitter. It is a beautiful glitter and I did pay for it. I'm applying it using the e.l.f. glitter primer, and then I'm going to go in with this beautiful gold liner from OPV Cosmetics. I'll put the name of it down below because they have 3 different kinds, and this one is more of a pigment glitter liner, so it's more opaque than the other glitter liners that they have, but they are also pretty. So I'm going to use this to create a line in my crease, and it took about 2 to 3 coats to get this nice and opaque so it could stand out. Now going in with the I messed that up, mascara from Lancome. I'm going to apply a bit of that to my top lashes and going with my falsies. Then using that beautiful green shade, I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line with that same brush that I use for my crease, and then going in with a smaller pointed brush to apply that indigo deep teal shade closer to my lash line to create a smoked effect. Now going in with this black eyeliner pencil from Urban Decay's 24-hour eyeliner collection, I'm just going to line my waterline and apply a bit of that beautiful glitter from Lime Crime, and I'm just kind of spreading it out. I'm not really concentrating it. I'm going to add a bit of that Lancome mascara, and that's pretty much it for the eyes, you guys. This is probably like my favorite part of this tutorial. Like, I got really excited when I was filming it, but lately I haven't really been liking my face. I don't know what's going on with me, but like, I haven't really been liking my face that much. I don't know. It's weird. But I hope you guys like the eye look. For lips, I'm using Half Naked from Makeup Addiction. They came out with a nude lipstick collection called Nude Attire, so definitely check that out. And I'm using Half Naked on my lips today. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set my makeup using the Scandinavia makeup setting spray, and that's pretty much it for this look. I know it was a short video, but I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll have 2 videos linked at the end of this video so you guys could check them out from my new channels and from this channel. I love you guys, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.